So we're talking about the margin accounts, and in this case, this table here, unfortunately, you'll have to memorize it a little bit. What this is giving is this is the amount of loan you can get from the investment company in order to invest using a long position. Think of it as if you're buying a house, the company is going to give you the company is going to give you 80% loan and you need to put in 20%. Or the company is going to give you 95% loan and you need to put 5% down. So how much down do you need to put in? That is what this margin long position table is about. If you're buying stocks, there is a maximum loan amount that the company will give you. In this table, the amount they can give you depends on the price of the stock. So based on this table, you need to remember this, and this is easier way to remember it is to think of it as there's a maximum loan amount you can get from the company and there's a margin. The margin, so it's a little confusing, but it goes into a margin account. The margin account has both the investment from the client as well as the loan from the company. That is a margin account. And the margin is the money that the client puts in. So if let's first talk about this one. If it's $2 and over price, $2 is more, it's $3, $4, $5, $20 a share, then it's 50-50. The company will give you 50% of the value. Like we saw in the previous example, if the value was $2,500 minimum, they will give you $2,500 to add on. So it's a 50-50 type of relationship, and that is one option if the price is more than $2. If the price is between this range, then it becomes 40% is a loan they'll give you, and obviously to make it 100%, you have to put in 60% of the value. If it was $10,000, you put in 4,000, they have put in 6,000. I'm sorry, it's the other way. Yes, they will. The investment company will put in 4,000, and you need to put in 6,000 as an investor. Yes, and if the price is between $1.50 to $1.74, it means 20% is the loan you will get, and you as an investor need to put in 80%. So obviously, as you can see, when the price goes down, the amount you have to put in into the margin account is more. You have to put down more deposit than if the price was higher. And if the price is below $1.50 per share, then you don't get any loan. You have to put it all yourself. You will not get a margin account in that situation. So here, this is securities eligible for reduced margin. Some companies, their price is more than $2 and they are well-established companies. For example, the banks, the gas companies, the telecommunication companies, the food companies, all those established companies, retailers, they will be eligible for reduced margin. It means instead of 50-50, you can get more loan. Instead of 50, you can get 70%. Reduced margin means instead of putting down 50%, you need to put down only 30%. So this is a pretty good deal. You're putting down 3,000 out of $10,000, and the company will give you $7,000 to invest. So that is possible if this criteria is met. So let's take a look at this margin exercise, but before we do that, let's take a break.